Next up, dehydrotheodoluidine. Your next word is encephalography. All right, your word is orotataphosphorybosyl-transferase.
Fructose bisphosphate triosyphosphate lias.
Next word is acrocephalopolydactylous dysplasia. Please spell
Scaphotrapezio-trapezoid osteoarthritis.
all right. The next word is sphenopalatine ganglioneuralgia.
I looked through it and saw Kayla had signed
Your word is spell laryngotracheobronchitis. All right, try spell uvulopalatopharyngoplasty. Can you spell corticopontocerebellar? All right, try spelling Micropachycephalosaurus. Your acetylglucocoroglossogenic.
Replace it with an even larger.
All right, spell sclerectoiridectomy. All right, try erythrocytopheresis.
I've been using the iPhone 13 mini, but when the
Next up, can you spell pneumono-ultra-microscopic silicovolcanoconiosis? Next up, hypothalamic pituitary adrenocortical. Next up, spectrophotofluorometry. All right, the next word is sphygmomanometer. Loncastuximab-tesirine. I'd spell Corynebacterium pseudotuberculosis. All right, try spelling pseudo-hypoparathyroidism. Can you spell